in this question we are having x cube e raised to power x dx. Now according to the techniques LIATE, ILATE, okay, so we are going to take this as a first function, this as a second function. Now what my request is, just take this as a first and this as a second and then start solving and then see what the result you are getting, okay. So now integrating by parts, now we are having first function as it is, integration of second function, d by dx of first function, integration of second, and integration for the result. Now this becomes x cube e raised to power x minus, now here we are having integration x cube d by dx of x cube, that is 3x square. First thing, d by dx of x cube, that is 3x square, integration of e raised to power x, that is e raised to power x dx. Now what we are having, x cube e raised to power x, 3 integration of x square e raised to power x dx. Now again we are having here two different types of integrals, okay. So again this will become now x cube e raised to power x minus 3. Now x square first function as it is, integration of second, minus integration d by dx of x square, integration of e raised to power x dx, like this, okay. So now the result we are having is x cube e raised to power x minus 3 x square e raised to power x, integration of e raised to, integration of e raised to power x, here it will be dx, okay. Integration of e raised to power x dx, that is e raised to power x minus 3, now integration of d by dx of x square, that is 2x, and integration of e raised to power x is e raised to power x dx. Now we are having x cube e raised to power x minus 3x square e raised to power x minus 6. Now again we are going to integrate this one, okay, integration of x e raised to power x dx, taking this as first and this as second, okay. So now we are having x cube e raised to power x minus 3x square e raised to power x minus 6. Now 6 again this by parts. Now first function is x integration of e raised to power x dx minus integration d by dx of x with integration of e raised to power x dx. Now I told you in the beginning that take this as a first and this as a second, and what will happen? Your question will goes on increasing, okay. You can't integrate that part, okay. Now for this part we are having x cube e raised to power x minus 3x square e raised to power x minus 6x e raised to power x plus 6 integration of e raised to power x dx. X square e raised to power x, 3x square e raised to power x, 6x e raised to power x plus 6 e raised to power x plus c. Is it clear? So now finally If you wish, you can take e raised to power x common, and we are left with x square minus 3x square x cube, sorry, that's what I am thinking, where I am wrong. So here it is x cube, so here it will be x cube, okay, x cube minus 3x square minus 6x plus 6 plus c, this is the answer.